Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming one crucial detail. Your PlayStation Network region must match the gift card region because cards are region-locked. Once done, choose retailer, official PlayStation Store, Amazon, or a local retailer, and pick physical versus digital delivery, since digital is instant while physical can take days. Make sure you have payment ready, credit/debit, PayPal, or cash for in-store purchase. This avoids interruption when you reach checkout. Now proceed to buy and get the code. For digital purchases, copy the code from the confirmation email and save the receipt. For physical cards, scratch the foil cautiously to avoid damaging characters. On your PS5, go to the PlayStation Store, scroll to redeem codes, and type the code exactly characters and dashes, because one wrong letter stops the process. If you prefer web, sign into your PSN account, choose redeem codes, paste the code, and confirm to add funds. Finish by confirming the funds show in your wallet. Once the balance updates, you can purchase PS5 games or subscriptions immediately. If the code fails, first recheck the region, retype carefully to avoid copy errors, and verify there's no expiration. Some promo cards have limits. If problems persist, contact the retailer with your receipt. If unresolved, escalate to PlayStation support and provide the code and purchase proof. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.